don't know.
Well, as you can see, there's a lot of snow. It snowed a lot last night. It's close to a foot here, or I think it was calling for like 35 centimeters or so, and we definitely got it. It's still coming down, and it's a bit wetter than I care for. It's gonna be hard to plow this. I have to get the snowblower out, but look at that. Let's go take a little walk, see what's going on. Hi baby, what do you think of the snow? Oh, the baby piggies loving the snow, look at this. Don't love it, baby piggies. They think it's breakfast time. Snow is deeper than there. Hello guys, what do you think of the snow?